Today is Labor Day, and we we have come ready to labor a bit. Yeah. Labor Day has a history to it. I'm sure. I'm not very aware of that, but that word is nice, and the concept I think is to uh, pay respect to the working force, to the workers. So it starts from right here. The studio space is here. So in a way, we acknowledge the work which has gone behind the contractor, all those unseen people who have brought this place up like that. And we step out today. We honor the people behind the roadways, and Beth is here. And when we switch on the light, remember the Tanaga and so on, and we respect that human that tendency, that urge to bring things into more and more order and things like that. We also have the tendency to take the order back into chaos, but today we respect that tendency in us to bring things into order, organize things. And what the teachings tell us is we don't have a choice about it. What they're telling is this universe has an intrinsic capacity to bring things into order. Okay, and this capacity is called the Ridha in the Vedas. RTA, Ridha comes around 400 times in Rig Veda. So this intrinsic capacity of the universe to move things which are apparently chaotic, but slowly towards an organized expression. So we are not separate from the universe, so in us too that throbs. So we are partaking in that intrinsic capacity of the universe, that Ridha, where humans are always trying to bring things into order, to bring more and more things into manifestation. Now, it feels perfectly sensible to when we see the road as we step down. We can, though we haven't seen the people working on it, but we can yet mentally be thankful to the people behind all these things. In yoga, in the same way, like the road is present, like the waterways are present, like the electricity is present, in us the same things are present. Like the waterways, our circulatory system is present. Like the electrical system, our nervous system is present. And all of these things are functioning, and the body is always being brought into an order. Okay? It is going chaotic, but somehow it is also working to bring into order. So today's practice, Labor Day, we ourselves are a labor of love. The universe is undergoing a continuous labor to manifest us. And we pay tribute to that too. Okay, so each moment as you're doing some aspect of the asana, we just don't do, this is something we try to connect to in each class, but today really we try to connect to that which is working to make our arms move, to make our legs move, that Ridha which is unfolding as a rhythm in us. Okay, so happy Labor Day, and